Before this unforgettable courtroom story begins, subscribe to Justice with Jack, where every verdict proves that truth is stronger than appearances. The courtroom burst into laughter as a homeless man named Daniel Brooks walked inside wearing torn clothes and carrying an old backpack. Court officers almost forced him out before Judge Jack ordered everyone to let him speak. Across the courtroom stood billionaire businessman Victor Lang, who claimed Daniel had broken into his mansion and stolen a priceless gold watch. Security cameras showed Daniel climbing over the mansion wall late at night, making the case seem impossible to defend. Victor demanded the maximum punishment, calling Daniel a dangerous criminal who deserved years in prison. Reporters had already declared him guilty before the trial even began. Daniel quietly admitted he had entered the mansion, but insisted he wasn't stealing. He explained that the gold watch actually belonged to his late father, who had worked for Victor's family decades earlier. Nobody believed him. The courtroom mocked his story, and Victor smiled confidently, convinced the trial was already over. Judge Jack asked to inspect the watch personally. As soon as he turned it over, he noticed tiny engraved initials hidden beneath the leather strap. They matched the initials in an old unsolved inheritance case Judge Jack had handled years before. Suspicious, he ordered investigators to retrieve forgotten employment records from Victor's family's private archives. Hours later, the truth stunned everyone. Daniel's father had legally owned the watch after saving Victor's grandfather during a factory fire. The family had promised him a reward, but after his death, Victor secretly claimed the watch as his own and erased every document proving its real ownership. Daniel had entered the mansion only to recover the final memory of his father after discovering where it had been hidden. Judge Jack immediately declared Daniel innocent and ordered Victor's arrest for fraud, evidence tampering, and filing a false criminal complaint. The courtroom fell silent as police placed handcuffs on the billionaire. Judge Jack returned the watch to Daniel and said, "A person's clothes can fool your eyes, but character reveals the truth." Tears filled Daniel's eyes as the entire courtroom stood and applauded, proving once again that justice belongs to those who deserve it, not those who can afford it.